starting fives for our tonight's starting lineups. First, Carter Williams and Jay Welch in the backcourt. And standing 6'11" out of Kentucky, the explosive shot blocker. What a tremendous talent. Getting ready for his first NBA appearance. Then it's Evan Turner, and it's Young in power forward. And for the Pelicans, backcourt, Holiday and Gordon. And playing at the 5, a jump shooting 7-footer with underrated athleticism out of Colorado State, Jason Smith. And there's Tyreke Evans, and it's Davis in at the 4. On defense, the Pelicans. On the wing, Turner shoots the 3. Rebound by Jrue Holiday.
So what you love about Jrue Holiday is his strong body, his size at the point guard position. He's about 6'4". Still very young, but an all-star last year. I think he's only going to get better.
The pass to Richardson. He feeds it to Carter Williams. To the inside. Here's Noel. 11 feet out, and he hits it.
Unselfish basketball on the interior. I love that, and you got to think the coaching staff does too.
And, you know, Jrue Holiday, guys, in Philly is called by some people the Drew. But he still has work to do. I like his talent and his demeanor. He's developing as both a scorer and a playmaker, which is tough for a young player to balance those two skills. But I think he's got a chance to be special.
Now running up the court, Evans trying to push it up. And it's blocked. Now Turner puts the lead pass in front of him. And it's Noel missing. The Pelicans have gone 2 for 4 from the field so far today.
Well, you know, when you play against the teams in the West, you need to have a solid front court or you're going to struggle. And last year the Sixers thought they had the answer with Andrew Bynum, but he never played a game for them, so they really struggled against the West. You know, they've scored several times already here in the first quarter down low. I like that.
Yeah, me too, Bart. I think anytime you have success pounding the ball inside, you got to continue to go to the well.
And New Orleans pushing it up now. And there's the rejection. And now Philadelphia on the break. Richardson's running. And it's Turner pushing it off.
I'd say that shot was well within his range.
You think so? I mean, I was pretty good from 2 feet and in myself. That's a gimme there.
The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. And trouble it was for the 76ers against the West, Clark, as you were talking about. They would end up with just a 12-18 record against the conference. And many wondering, Steve, what could have been.
Well, 12-18 isn't actually that bad considering, you know, the state of the roster with the injuries and the new players. So I thought all in all, the 76ers fought hard most of the year, but they just didn't have enough in the tank.
D there, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
Holiday with it. Now defended by Carter Williams. And Smith with the stuff.
That's a nice finish for the big fella there. I mean, he used his length very